Assalamu alaikum and good morning, student. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today is Monday, 14th December 2020. It's English period. Today your English topic is position words. Position words tell us where thing, place, person and animal is. Okay, student, what day is today? Today is Monday, 14th December 2020. What day is today? Today is Monday. What date is today? 14th. Which month is going December and which year is going 2020? Today is Monday, 14th December 2020. It's English period and today our English topic is position words. Firstly, I'll tell you what is position words. Position words tells us where a person, thing, animal or place is. Are you understand? Position words tells us where a person, thing, place or animal is. For example, position words are is, on, under, in, over. Okay, these are some examples of position words. Now I'll explain you with the help of these cards. Okay, look at this card. Which picture is this? Cat. Where cat sit? The cat is sit on the mat. On is position word. On is position word. Position word tell us where cat is. The cat is on the mat. On is position words. Position words tells us where cat is. The cat is on the mat. On is position words. Okay, look at one more example. The ball is under the table. This is table and this is ball. Where is ball? Ball is under the table. Under is position words. Under is position word and position word tell us where is ball. Ball is under the table. Ball is under the table. One more example. The cat is in the basket. Which picture is this? Cat. Cat sit in the basket. In is position word and position word tells us where is cat. The cat is in the basket. The cat is in the basket. The cat is in the basket. In is position word. Here on is position word. Here under is position word and here in is position word. These all are position words and position word tells us where thing, animal is. I explain you again. The cat is on the mat. On is position word. The ball is under the table. Under is position word. The cat is in the basket. In is position word. Okay, I have some more examples for you. Cat is under the table. In this picture, under is position word. Book is on the table. In this picture, on is position word. Girl sit in the car. In this picture, in is position word. Cat is under the box. In this picture, under is position word. Boy sit on chair. In this picture, on is position word. Students, I have planned very interesting activity for you which is related with today's our topic, which is position words. I have some pictures and each picture shows different positions. Okay, and I also paste sentences here. Firstly, we read sentence and find out the position word and then color in position word. What is this? This is a picture of box and the boy is sit in the box. This picture show which position word? In. Boy is in the box. Boy is in the box. Okay. Which is the position word in this sentence? In. Boy is in the box. Now we color position word. Which is position word? In is position word. Yes, we color in position word. Which is position word? In is position word. In tell us the position of boy. Boy is in the box. Now we color in position word. Okay, now I'll show you more picture. Which picture is this? This is a picture of a table and the ball is under the table. Okay, here is sentence ball is under the table. And what is the position of ball? This sentence tell us the position of ball. Yes, under. The ball is under the table. Ball is under the table. Under is position of ball. So we color in under because under is position word. Yes. Yes, we find out position of ball. We find out position word and do color in position word. I have one more example for you. Okay, which picture is this? This is a picture of a boy and boy sit on sofa. Boy sit on sofa. Okay, here is sentence boy sit on sofa. What is the position of boy? Boy sit on sofa. What is the position word? Use here on. Which is position word used here on? Now we do color in position word which is on, which is on. Okay, now we find position word is on. Now we color in it. Yes, now we color in position word. Okay, now we find position words. Boy is on the sofa, on is position word. Boy is in the box, in is position word. Ball is under the table, under is position word. Okay, I hope you all enjoy this activity. Okay, student, now open your copies. Firstly, write date Monday, MON DAY Monday, comma 14th DECEM December BER December, comma 2020 full stop. Now do work on copy pasting. Topic is position words. Okay, firstly write sentence number 1. Tina is dash the car. Look at the picture. Yes, Tina is in the car. So here write in. Tina is in the car. Which position word use in? Because Tina is in the car. Okay, sentence number 2. Sarah is dash the bed. On the bed. Here write on because what is the position of Sarah? Sarah is on the bed. Sarah is on the bed. Sentence number 3. The cat is dash the table. Look at the position of cat under. Okay, right here under UNDER under. The cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. Okay, sentence number 4. The car is going dash the hill. The car is going. What is the position? Up. The car is going up the hill. The car is going up the hill. Tina is in the car. Sarah is on the bed. The cat is under the table. The car is going up the hill. Okay, hurry up, do your work.